Dear colleagues, in our ongoing commitment to strengthen service delivery, operational efficiency, cost optimization, and quality improvement across the city of EThekwini, I am pleased to officially announce the launch of the Supervisory Development Workshop. This important initiative is spearheaded by the Human Capital Unit, and it is designed to reaffirm the critical role of supervisors in staff oversight. It aims to take us back to the foundational principles required for building an efficient, responsive, and high-performance public service that meets the needs of our community. The aim is to reinforce the critical role of supervisors in safeguarding municipal assets, ensuring responsible asset management, allocating daily tasks, equipping staff with the necessary tools and PPE, promoting a safe working environment, and discharging their duties with diligence. The program will cover the following focus areas: effective supervision of staff, time and attendance management, remuneration, benefits, and human capital systems, consequence management, customer service excellence, including Batupile principles and practical value, change management, performance management, employee wellness, and sick leave management. Whilst we acknowledge the challenges within our operating environment, we also require the opportunities to enhance frontline supervision. By investing in these capabilities, we take meaningful steps towards overcoming service delivery bottlenecks and restoring public confidence. Attendance is mandatory for all supervisors across departments. Your participation is not only vital for your professional development, but also central to our collective responsibility to serve with integrity, accountability, and excellence. Program details, including schedules, venues, and registration processes, will be communicated by your respective human capital representatives. The official rollout is set to begin in May 2025. Let us fully embrace this opportunity for renewal and growth and work together to build a more capable, service-driven municipality. I thank you.